Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding XDC on your Trezor hardware wallet and want to move it over to Bitmart for trading or staking, you're in the right place. Today, in 2025, we're walking through a simple, step-by-step guide to withdraw XDC securely. This process is straightforward, but always remember, crypto involves risks, so double-check everything to protect your assets. First things first, make sure your Trezor device is connected to your computer and your Trezor Suite software is up to date. Open the app and unlock your wallet using your PIN or recovery seed, safety first. Once you're in, navigate to the XDC asset in your portfolio. You'll see your balance right there. That's the amount you can withdraw. Next, head over to your Bitmart account. Log in, go to the deposit section, and select XDC. Bitmart will generate a unique deposit address for you. Copy this carefully, as it's case sensitive and any mistake could send your funds into the void. Now, back in Trezor Suite, select the Withdraw or Send option for XDC. Paste the Bitmart address into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to transfer, and don't forget to add a note if needed for your records. Before you hit Confirm, take a deep breath and verify all the details. Trezor will prompt you to confirm on the device itself for added security. Always a good idea to use hardware wallets for this reason. Once confirmed, the transaction will be broadcast to the network. Depending on network congestion, it might take a few minutes to an hour to process. Once it's done, check your Bitmart account to ensure the XDC has arrived. If everything looks good, you're all set. This method keeps your funds secure throughout the process. Remember, in the ever-evolving world of crypto, stay updated with the latest on Trezor and Bitmart's platforms. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.